Hello, this is a brief overview of our preliminary evaluation of the SmartFlow open channel filtration technology's ability to filter raw trap grease. Now the objectives here were to remove water from the raw trap grease to enable more efficient transportation, and to see if we could clean up the permeate or the waste water removed so that it would be more efficiently or economically handled by local waste treatment plants. Now, we started with a 4-gallon sample of raw trap grease. Upon initial examination, we saw that there was quite a bit of particulate matter in it, so we performed a very crude wire screen filtration. And this is the material that was found in that 4-gallon sample. These would be not acceptable to put into a membrane filtration process in the cross-flow format. So we did this initial screen with the wire mesh, and we've captured a sample. This is a sample of our raw trap grease that has been screened. Because of the size and nature of this particulate, we did a very fine filtration with a woven filter material to make sure that we took out particulate matter such as the sand and dirt that might have gone through the screen filter. We ended up with a pre-filter permeate, and that pre-filter permeate actually is the input to our first membrane process. The objective of the first membrane process, as I said, is to remove water from the raw trap grease to allow for more efficient transportation and to be more economical in terms of disposal of that wastewater into the local waste treatment plants. The output of our first membrane process is here. This is obviously much clearer, but there may be some concerns with local wastewater treatment plants. What we found is that when this material came out of the filter itself, it was clear, it had a light color to it. In the process of sitting overnight, you can see a particulate has reformed, or some sort of solid materials. It has gotten darker, so there is still activity going on here. We then challenged this solution with a second membrane process to strive to improve the wastewater treatment quality of this material. And the output of this is here. Obviously, total suspended solids will not be an issue. We need to check to see what the other components of this is, but it's our preliminary estimate that this should be no problem going into any local wastewater treatment facility. Thank you. So basically we have raw trap grease, a concentrate that would be the input for your biodiesel facility, a waste stream that can then be cleaned up and disposed of without excess fees or fines from the local wastewater treatment facility. Thank you.